Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Bharti and you are watching Beam Up channel. And let's get started with the project that we were working on. So this was our project, that is pre-Waco house, and this is going to be the third part of it, and I think it would be the last part or maybe one more session we need to complete this. So I don't know till yet, but let's get started. So till this point we have done everything. You can find everything in the description if you do not want to start from the scratch. So you can use this project, and by day wise I have submitted all the projects, so you can check it out. And first of all, let me make some changes to it. That is, as you can see, there are red lines coming out of it, and there were glass when we were rendering this one. So what I'm going to do is just go to this clearances, and here I'm going to change this clearances to air. So as you can see, we have used air, and okay, and now it's fine. Now when we will render it, there will be no gap between this refrigerator and the portion, so it is nice. Okay, and then what we are left is this part. So today we are going to make this part. So what we need to do at this place is just go to level 1 and draw a wall, and draw a wall something like this. And remember to make a wall of 4.5 inches, not 9 inches. So you need to remember that. And from this point, I think, till end of our stair, so we have something like this. And then what we are going to do is we can just go to any view. For example, I'm going to this view. I've hidden this the wall that I had at this place, and I just took the middle path from here, and now I selected this wall. And instead of vertical cross section, you can just select slanted, and here you need to give an angle of maybe 45 degree, and we have something like this. Okay, and now we will push it inside with the help of keyboard. You can push it like this and then press HR, and now you will see that we have something like this. So I'm going to hide this wall, and then I'm going to place it inside this. So just again, just take this view, that is middle view, and put it inside a little bit more. And now let us check it out. So as you can see that there's no hindrance, and I think it came out to be almost perfect, but not yet. So I will push it a little bit more, and now we have to push it a little bit more. We need to hide it properly. So yes, now I think it has been hidden, and there's no hindrance outside. Only you can see is that there's a wall. So just select that wall and click on attach top base, and then click over here. Let me see, have I started my recording or not? So yes, it has been started. Okay, and then what else do we need to do is we need to edit this wall. So just go to this back view and go to edit profile and close, and now we'll see that we have something wall something like this. So we are going to make it proper wall. So either you can take a line like this till this place. I think it is perfect. Okay, and then you can trim this portion. So just trim this portion, and now we have this as a different part, and then trim. Okay, we can just delete this part. So what we have is something like this. Just take it to the downside till the end. So I don't know it is the end or not, so just take your straight view, and now you can see that yes, there's the end. And here you can do it like this, and now we have created a wall that looks angular, and we have that hidden part. And now we have a place for this gate, and press HR on your keyboard, and now you will see that we have a place for this gate. We have almost hidden everything, and if it is being shown outside, you can reduce the size of it. Let me check. Yes, we have to reduce it a little by a little bit. So just go to edit profile and close, and then you can just do it like this. And let us try it out. And from this view, As you can see, there's no hindrance of the wall, and we got our triangular shape type of area at this place, and we have something for storage, so just place HR, and now we have everything got right at this place. So this was missing yesterday. I did mention that I will complete it today, and now I did it. After that, what else do we need? And from the image, if I can show you, yes, so these are two of these braces type of structure. So maybe it is steel framing or something, so we need to make that portion also. So as you can see that this start from the one angle and end at the other end of this glass wall, so this curtain wall, so we are going to make that also. Just go to this, and we can do is select your section box and then make it smaller like this, and now we have our place, and just hide it. Double S to hide this portion, and you can hide everything in category. For example, just select any of the asset library files or family, and then hide in view and click on category, and now everything will be hidden. And if you want to hide this wall, then just select this one and double S to hide, and then just go to left view, and now we have our place. So in the left view, what we are going to do is just go to component model in place, and here you can either select your generic model or structure framing. For this part, I'm going to select generic model and then extrusion, and there's a line, and the line starts from, okay, before that we need to set a plane, so we are going to draw it on this plane. So just press tab and you can select any of the glass panel right now. So press tab, and then I cannot select this panel. Okay, now I can select this panel, and now as you can see from here we can draw the same thing that we want. So from here to here, first make it angular. Okay, so just place it on the right side, and I don't think it is right, so we are going to make it something like, okay, I'm going to delete it and I will make it again. So just take the line from the ending point, that is, okay, this is our ending point. I think, okay, this is our ending point. I I did get it right before only, so not a problem. And here's our start and end point. And now what we need to do is we need to take offset. Offset shortcut is OF. You can select it from here, and you can make an offset of, I think, 2 inches would be enough, or you can take 2.5 inches. So I will take 2.5 inches, 2.5 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and press space here. And now that we have it at 2.5, just select both sides, delete the middle one, and then select the line, that is boundary, and you can just attach this portion like this. And if by any means it is not connected, just press TR on your keyboard, and now you can see that it is connected. And we need to do the same thing at this place also. So just select this point, and either you can do it like this or you can make it like this. So just make it something like this, or if you are not satisfied with it, just put it like this and TR for the trim, and here to here we have got it right. And then just press OK, and now you will see that we have made something like this. And if you think it is not correct, then what we need to do is, okay, first let me check it out, is it correct or not. So just we need to do, okay, let me hide, first finish your model, then select your roof, double S to hide, and now we have that hidden roof. Now we can see that this is our okay, from here till this point, and from here till this point. And if I go to 3D, yes, we have got something, and we can make it smaller by a bit. and at that portion it is right, and here you can reduce the size of it like this. And if you want to reduce it more, you can do that, or you can just use your keyboard button to make it something like this and increase the size of it. No, not like that. And let me check it out. So just go to edit profile, again edit extrusion, and here till okay, this was the problem, so control Z, and here we made it angular. Not, we don't need right now, so just TR for the trim, and from here to here. Okay, trim from here to here, and now it's done. And now if you can see, we have got something like this. Okay, and now you can increase the size of it, and yes, now we got it right. And go to this view again, and if you want to make it smaller, just do it like this, and now we have that. And what else do we need to do is, first let me reduce the size of it from the top portion. So you can do it like this, and we have this portion. Just select this one, go to pipe category, and here if you want to uh, make changes to it, I will use this anodized black. If you want to make a new material, you can make it, and just finish it. And we got it on the one side. I think it has been placed by anodized material. It is not being shown in black, but I think it is. If I shade from this portion, yes, it is black, and this is fine. And then what else do we need to do is, we need to make the same thing on this plane. So just double S to hide. You can select this portion. Where's that? Okay, double S to hide, and you can hide this wall also, double S to hide. And now we have only this portion. So just take any front view or angular view. So you can also take it in this view, and then go to architecture, model in place once again, and here generic family, and we can write its name. We have not written the last one name, so here we will write its name at structural framing. And okay, and now go to extrusion, set plane, pick a plane, turn, then just select any of this glaze panel. Yes, now we have selected it, and from starting point till ending point you need to make a line, and then go to offset 2.5 inches. Okay, then delete this one, middle portion, then select your line, and here to here, that is one line, and from this place to this place we got the second line, and again press OK. And now that we have this portion, just go to top or any of the visible elevation, and then we have this portion like this, and I think it is right, but I think it is coming out of it, so we need to reduce the size from this portion by a little bit. So just go to the top view and just increase the size of it, and start it. Here it is the starting point where our glass ends, and here you can make it something like this. And now we have that. If you think it is still a little bit larger or wider, just reduce the size of it, and now we have it. And now just select this portion and go to category, and you can select this material finished model, and then you can remove your section box, and now we have everything, and HR to get everything back. And now we have this portion, as you can see from the image, this one from here, and I think it was on the both side. Yes, it was on the both side, so we got it on the both side. After that, what else do we need to make here is that window. So at this place, first of all, place a mullion at this place and this place, and now we have this portion. So just take your mouse to this portion and then press tab on your keyboard, and now select this glaze, and here we need to load a window family actually. So before I told you how to load a door family from the family type, just go to insert and load family, and here you can get it from this place, libraries, and here we have English. Okay, this English, here we need to find window, and in window you can just double click on any of the curtain wall. So right now I can't find here, I think it will be somewhere. opening m dot, find something that has name as curtain. In Imperial you can write, okay, this is the curtain. You can select it and open it. This is one of the ways. Second way is just go to this Autodesk family, search here window, just go to window, and in Windows search anything that has name curtain on it. So this is the same family that I showed you at that place. So just select this one, load this family, and done. After that we need to just select this glaze, and then you need to find that awning, curtain awning window, and okay, and now we have a window. And if you want to change the material of it, just go to edit type, and here we have aluminum material, and you can place as anodized black material, and now you have that. So this does look like a window. And where else do we have windows? So let me check the reference. So this is our kitchen portion. We don't have anything at this place. Here is a door at that place, so I think I made that one before only. And we don't have a window. The only window is at this point, so two of the window I have made that. And this door, one door, and this is the second door, so we have the both of the doors. And here we don't need a door except on the first floor, that is here for a bathroom section. And after that, this is in the middle portion, we have something like what do we say, that chimney. Yes, so for the chimney family, let me see if I have something of the chimney family. Okay, this is parametric chimney. No, I don't want to open it. I want to see it first. That's okay. And I have something like this. No, I don't want this chimney. I will select the different one if I can get something. So these are the light family. You will get this in description, you can check it out. And where else I have kept the family to be used. Let me see if I have something here, or we can just download it. But okay, I have got it here. Just go to this large, and you can get this one. So I'm just, you can use it by inserting. I'm just dragging and dropping it in the project. And now I will select this one at this place. I don't think it has been placed here, so Control Z and go to level 3, go to component and place it on this middle portion, and just go to 3D view, and I will find that you have something here. Just place it at this place, and now you can see that we have something like this. Go to material, and here precast metal. Instead of that, we are going to choose that anodized black, and for this also we are going to choose the same one. So here also you can choose this anodized black, and now we have that. And if you think that it is going a lot outside, then just move it inside like this. And you can also do is, I think if I can reduce the size of it, I can reduce the diameter, I can reduce the ratio, but I can't find something that is written with height, so I don't want to do anything right now. Let me see how much outside it is. Okay, it does look a little bit outside. Okay, this is fine. And we don't have that same family. You can make it two families, but I don't want to make it right now, so I will keep it this way. So after that, what else do we need in this project? So we have completed almost everything except this ceiling on the top portion. And if you want to increase the size of the ceiling, for example, this is at 9 feet 4 inches, you can keep it at 9 feet 8 inches, so that it is just visible a little bit outside. And now it is fine. And let me see. Okay, we have to keep it the way it was, because we have our work floor at this place, so we will keep it. And for this portion, if you want to make a ceiling at this portion, just go to ceiling once again, and here you can either do it by automatic ceiling. If you can't do it by automatic, just select this line, and here just go to pick line, and you can make a ceiling. And don't you need to worry about the wrong side. If it has been placed on the wrong side, not a problem. You can just select this one, and do it. Just drag just trim this portion, and with the help of keyboard you can manage that. Then trim it from here to here, and trim it from here to here, and trim it from here to here. And if you want to make this same ceiling, so no, we need to keep it till here, and here we have something angular, so we will keep our ceiling till this place only. And okay, and now go to here, and now you will find that we have something of name ceiling, and what it would be hidden. So we need to reduce the size of it. For example, we have this as 8 inches, so we need to reduce the ceiling of height by 8 inches. So we have it at 20, so 9 by, if I do it by 9 to, can I say it? No, height offset should be less than that, so first keep it at 9. No, 8 feet 6 inches. Let me try first. And now we have our ceiling at this place, but we need to do it angular. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, let me hide this floor and select this ceiling. Can I rotate it? Yes, I think so, but in which way I can rotate it? Okay, I will keep it. And what we can do is we can just okay, just increase the size of it by a little. And just a second. So we were in the ceiling, and we can reduce the size of it by a little bit more, so 8 feet 8 inches, and now we have our ceiling at this point, but it cannot be seen in this place. So we will just attach it at 8 feet 7 inches, and we will keep it like this. And we have a ceiling. We need to change the material of it, so you can select this, and you can go to, instead of this austic ceiling tile, you can choose any of this. So I will select this ceiling material that we made earlier, and now we have a ceiling at this place like this. And if it is coming out from here, just select this one and go to edit boundary, and here you can make it like this, and then trim Tia from here to here and from here to here. And let me see if we got it right. Okay, so this portion we need to make it a little bit more smaller. So just select the ceiling once again, go to ceiling, edit profile, and this is the portion. So we can do is, you can take your ceiling from this place to this place, Tia for the trim, and here to here, and from here to here. Just delete this portion, and okay. And let us check it out once again, and we are doing it right. No, we don't. Again, go to edit profile, go to top view, and now we can see that where is the problem. So here is the problem. Just select this ceiling from this place to this place, and now Tia, and here we got it. And now if you can see, we have the ceiling no more at that place. So it was the angular place over there. We can have not seen that actually, so not a problem. And if we want to do that, okay, we will keep it because it will come out once again. So this is how you can make ceiling on the top. After that, what else is left in this portion? We got the lightings, we got this portion, and I think there's one more door to be applied if I can see. So just go to find, and here's our one of the door. And at this place also, if I can see from here, do we have any of the door? And this is okay at this place, as you can see that we have a door. So let me check it out. And this is our kitchen portion, and that portion, no, we don't have a door at this place. Okay, not a problem. So we got everything that our reference images had. And here I can find something like this of a storage type or something to keep ours, keep something at that place. So we can make that also. We have made this portion and this portion, and everything has been made except this. What is it? Okay, let's just check out our landscape asset library once, and if we find something over there to put at that place, I will do that, and if we don't, we'll just keep it the way it is, not a problem. And now as you can see that it is not responding, I need to keep it on turbo mode and just wait for a while before it responds. Okay, we have our asset family. Here you can go to accessories, you can have decoration. I think no, we don't need decoration. Rug is for that carpet material, so we can use something of the rug material. Okay, let me use it. Go to level 1, and at level 1 we can use this one on that sofa portion, so we are going to use it. And here you can keep your rug material, and if you want to place a table at this place, so you can also do that by just remove this rug. And okay, we will not keep that table because it is not being shown in the images. And then on the second level, what else we can do? So at this place you can place something to hold on. So let me show you how to work I'm saying. So here we have something of storage material, so just go to furniture. I think not in furniture, in accessories only. uh, let me check the office. No, not this one. Okay, for decoration, not the kitchen, not the food, and we can use some of the images. Okay, I will use it later on. Okay, let me check this portion, and here we would have something. Okay, you can use this wall frame, so let me use it. And where is our wall? So actually our wall is there at this point. I think one of our wall. So not at this place, at this place. Just take this angle and you can place a picture over here and give it an height offset of 5 feet. So it has it offset. After that, again go to this and search something that we can keep on this side. So not the storage box, not this one's. You can use this pillows, you can keep these things. And what I'm searching for is not here. Okay, and yes, if you want to use curtains, you can use that also. So in this reference images, I cannot see that those things, so I will not use that. And here we cannot find anything, so just go to furniture, and here you will find, let me see, out of furniture, no, nothing of this shot. Okay, yes, we needed something of this wall mounted thing, so you can use this ones, or you can choose different ones. So let me see if I have something else of that type. Yes, we can use this self, use this self. So yes, I was searching for self, and now I will use this one or this one. Okay, this will look good. So just place it on the wall face, and it will take some time to load. And now do it angular, and now we have this one at this place, but no, we don't have a space for that. So what we are going to do is we are going to place it at this place. So first you need to choose an angle. Yes, this is right, and now we have it at this place, and press escape, and then you can use the different self. So what else do you want to use? Okay, actually what else I want to use, so we can choose this one, and I will keep it at this angle. Okay, undo, just select this one, And no, it is not angular. So to place it as angular, you need to take it out first, then you need to go to this place. I don't think it is angular yet. No, it is not. Okay. If we can't get it right, just select this rotate button and just rotate it like this, and again just rotate it by a little bit, and now just by your keyboard you can attach this one like this. And now that we have this, Control Z, save the project. Always remember to save your project in between. So okay, rotate it and rotate it by a little bit, by 5 degree. Okay, now it is fine. So we have this rack, and if you want to place something, okay, first of all give it an offset of 2 feet, and if you want to place something on this and for this elevation just give it a height offset of 3 feet, and now we have it. And if you want to add something on that portion, so just go to asset library once again, and here you will find something in the accessories, and in accessory you can get, for example, this is storage glass. One, two storage glass, then you can choose something else, and like this. Okay, and then you can use the same thing at this place, press escape, and then you can get something else, for example this frame. So I will just put this frame, and now I'm done. So just place it at angle, and now it is done. Now just go to this 3D, and here you can hide this, hide this. Okay, now we need to place it at right portion of our design. So we are going to place it at 4 feet first, and let me check if it is at 4 feet. No, we need to reduce it by 3 feet 6 inches, and now I think it is right. So this is the one thing. Then you can select this one and put it at 6 feet, and let me check. Okay, just reduce it by 5 feet 6 inches, and okay, done. And for this portion just hide these things. And what we have here, we have something on the wall. Okay, this is the frame. I think we can delete it and select this one and give it a height offset of 5 feet. Okay, 5 feet is way too much. You can reduce it by 4 feet 7 inches, and just increase it by 2 inches, so 4 feet 9 inches. Okay, reduce it by 1 inch, and now we got it right. And at this place we need to give it an offset of, if it was at 4 feet 8, then you can give it an offset of 4 feet. And let's see, and just move it with your keyboard, and it is going inside, not a problem. Again use your keyboard to get it back right. And then we need to reduce this size by 2 inches, so 3 feet 10 inches, 3 feet 10 inches, and now I think it is done. So these are the things that we could have used. Okay, we have used actually. And here I can see that he is floating right now, so just reduce it offset of 2 inches, and now it's done. And now we need to change this material. So at this portion, okay, and we need to increase this size further, so just go to level 2 again, and just first of all hide this image. So double S to hide, select and hide that image. Now we have our wall, and from here you need to make one more wall. So just you can select this wall and click on CS, that is create similar, or you can select this wall first and then you can click on this, that is create similar. And then from this point to this point, you can make a wall, and now we have the same wall from that point to this point, and now we have something like this. And let me see from the image if we have something like that. Okay, we cannot see it from this angle. Okay, this is an angular part, so you can do is, where is that? Okay, if you want to make it in the same way, you can do it like this. And now we have a wall at that point. Just go to 3D, and now we have something like this. So now it is covered, fully covered, and now we need to place some material. So let me check what material is it. We have one side view reference. Yes, so as you can see, this is an wooden material, so we need to make a new material. So just go to material, and here go to new, and one dot upper rail. So this is actually railing, so I just renamed it as rail. And here you can find out something wooden, and let me check. Okay, this drift, and can I place some patterns on it? And waveform, no, not this one. Wood, not like this. Shaper, no. Marble, no. I need to place something that is of the type I want. So what I can do is, this is a marble material. Okay, no. Tiles, we can use it, and then edit tiles, and here we can, no, not this. Okay, we are just going to download something. Revit. Okay, wooden Revit texture, and let me see. Yes, something of this type, it will be fine, or something of this type. So these two are the images that we have right now. This image looks fine. Just save it on desktop, and let me see if we have something for that bump of it. So we don't have a bump, so we are going to make it. So how to create bump also I will going to tell you. Just select this image, go to edit, and here you can find edit, and here you can find some filter. And if you have something of this, okay, no, and instead of filter, just go to adjustment, and here just increase the light, reduce the color and clarity. And we have, can I see spot fix? No, we don't need this. No, we had something as an option. Yes, this one. Okay, now just increase this things, and now I will get a bump of it. So just remember that you need to make this portion as light as you can, so this portion can be seen, and it will be used as displacement map by the Enscape. So just save a copy, and here write its name as bump, and save it. And now it's done. And after that, just go to this and select image, and from the image you can go to the image on the desktop, and here we have that. And now that we have this image, you can select your bump, and in bump you can select this bump. And now that we have bump and the image both, what we are going to do is we are going to increase the size of it. So right now it is at this size. We can increase it by 5 feet by 5 feet, and let us check it out. So 5 feet by 5 feet is less, I think. 10 feet by 10 feet. And now go to this portion, and here also increase it by, scale it by 10 feet by 10 feet. And now okay, apply, and select this wall. Go to edit type, go to edit, and here you can select one dot stair, something that we gave upper rail. Okay, and here we have a material, and yes, this is what we want. And yes, one more thing, that is we have not increased the bump of it, so just go to material once again and select this one, go to appearance, and here you can increase the bump more than 550. Always remember that, and not for everything, for this only, that is the displacement. And now you can see that there's a gap in zone at this place, so this is it. And after that, what else do we need to do is, let me check. And if you want to make this same material at 45 degree for this uh, floors, so you can also use that. So you can just select this flow, go to edit type, and here go to edit by category, and in category you can just make a new material, and here you can use one dot upper flow, and you can change its material. Go to asset library, no, not at asset library, go to appearance, select the image, this same image that we downloaded, and go to bump, and here you can select the same bump and then increase the size of it by more than 550. After that, just increase this size of it by, and there we took 10 feet, we will take here as a 5 feet by 5 feet, and okay, and then again 5 feet by 5 feet for this bump. So just scale it by 5 feet, and now it's done, and okay, and okay, and now you will see that we have changed the upward and the low flow. So this is our top floor, and if you want to change this flow, just go to edit type, duplicate it, and we should have duplicated that one, but not a problem, just duplicate this one and write it as outer floor, and then change its material to concrete. So just select this one and go to here, and you can use this, not this one, it will look bad. So let me see if we have something. Okay, we will make a new material, outer flow, and here just go to this, select this one, and go to flooring, and here you will find something for the flooring for outside this checker plate. You can use this one, or you can use this diamond, this would also look right. Okay, 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 and okay, and now we have this. So this is done, and if you want to change this outer portion, let me see what is it. So here we have wood, and here we have something. Okay, we will keep the same material that we have, and here is something like wood at this place. So what we can do is just hide this wall, double S to hide, and you can do is just go to any of the section, select section view, and in section view just reduce the size of it like this, and you can also reduce the size of it by like this, and from here to here. And now that we have our door portion, as you can see, we have our door at this place. So just go to top, and here you can make a flow. Let me see. Yes, at this portion only, and you can reduce. Okay, we don't want to reduce the size yet, we just increase the size of it like this. And now we have our door. You can go to hidden line or wireframe, so I'm selecting hidden line, and here you can just select a flow, and in the flow just go to edit type and duplicate it, and uh, pathway, rename it as pathway, and then give it a material. That is, what material do we have? Let's me check. So it is something of beechwood material, so dark beechwood material. So just go to this and make it, rename it one dot pathway. Okay, and here just select beechwood material wood, so just go to this wood, and here maybe this cherry one, mahogany also, which wood I can't find it. Okay, then this rosewood, cherry also you can use, birch, and we have this bamboo semi gloss. See, so we can use this one. Okay, and we will make it as unfinished if we have option. No, we don't have, so just reduce the reflectance of it, and now increase the roughness of it, and now it is fine. And here just take this as a rectangle, make something like, okay, like this, then again select this one, make something like this. Why it is not made? Okay, something like this, and just try to put it at this place, and now we have that. And if you want to increase the size of it, you can do it. Then again select rectangle, and we need to put it at in an angular way, so we can do something like this, and we can do something from here to here, and then make a line from this place to this place, and then tr for the trim it, and then trim it. And now we have something like this. Then just go and let me check how it is coming out like this. So I think it is not yet coming out, so we are going to make one more path like this, and if you are not satisfied with it, you can make it more angular. Okay, and then from this place also, and you can also, yes, you can do it something like this. And no, I'm not satisfied with it, so I'm going to reduce its angle like this, and I'm going to increase the size of it. So just place it like this, and place it something like this, and then make it like this. No, it is not satisfying me. So from here to here, I'm going to make it like this, and reduce its size and increase size, and then okay. And I think we had no intersecting lines, and if we have, okay, yes, we have not closed this line, so now it is closed. Yeah, for the trim, and from here to here we have trimmed it, and I think here to here, no trim from here to here, and now we have that trim from here to here, and now I'll press OK, and not a problem if it is overlapping. Just give it a height offset of 6 inches. I think it would be enough. Just go to 3D and just go to realistic, and now we have something like this, and I'm happy the way it turned out. And if you want to change the direction of it, okay, first of all, it is at this portion doesn't look right, so we are going to increase the size of it by a little. So from here to here, and no overlapping, and done. And if you want to make it right, just do it something like this, and something like undo, no, okay, from here to here, and then trim it out, this portion and this portion, and now we have something like this. And if you want to reduce the size of it by a little, you can do it this way, and now press OK, and now we have it. And we need to make some changes to the material, so just go to material, go to pathway, and let me check. Okay, we have something like this, so it is at 2 feet 6 inches, and can I rotate it? Okay, rotate it by 90 degree, and let me see. And we don't have bumps, so I've just rotated it, and okay, it is fine. Let's just skip it, or you can find a new material and make your own material, and you will have everything perfect for your drawing. So I'm just going to keep it, and now it is done. And just remove the section box. Just go to this portion, then remove the section box. After that, we have this HR is to get everything back, and here go to real stick, and these are the material that we have provided, so everything is right now. And what else do we need to do for this project? So I think everything is complete in this project. So we have just completed our project in 3 parts. And okay, and if you want to reduce the size of it, just go to edit boundary, and you can keep it like this way. So you can also keep it like this way, so not a problem, you can do it by your own. And then we have this portion, we made everything. Let me check the image once again. And we did the lighting part for the outside. We didn't provide the lighting in the bathroom, so just go to ceiling and then go to architecture component, select any of the light. So you can also use the default lighting, so let me use the default lighting. And how you can use it, just go to this libraries. Okay, there's our library here, RBT 2021. In this, go to libraries, and then English, and then lighting and fixtures. So this is lighting, and here architectural. In this, use internal lighting, and then place some of the lights. So for example, I'm going to use this wall lamp. No, not that one. Okay, spotlight exterior, M studio interior. Okay, I will use this one. Let me see. Okay, at this portion, and there is our bathroom. Bathroom is at this portion. And what else do we have? We don't have anything else. Okay, we have bathroom actually over here. So at this point, I've used 2 of the lights, and here it is done. And now we need to put some exterior lighting, and we need to make some exterior view. So we have not made that massing inside, so we will also do that today. And for that, first of all, let me use a lighting family that is Topford or something. It was named something like that, so we don't have it here. Let me check if we have in the last project. So let me check. Okay, this lighting portion here, I will increase the size of it, and this and this one. These are the 3 lights that we need. I'm just loading it at once, and everything is loaded in the project. And I will cut this push, that asset library. Okay, and yes, I can use this photo grid actually. I'm going to use it as an asset library right now. So let me see how much time does it take. So these are the previews of those. Okay, just remove this. No, remove this. Remove every preview. I wanted to load it as material, but not a problem. Okay, we have this studio light. Go to component, and where are our lights? That component, and then wall frame. No, we don't need that right now. 6 inches. You can reduce the size of it if you want to keep it at 5 inches. You can keep it. Okay, let it overlap. And where else do we need is uh, load family. Okay, just go to insert, go to load family, go to the place where you have the file. I'm going to this Luciano curve. No, not in this one. Library, no. Lighting to be used. Here we can find light, and here I have the lighting. Just let me enlarge it, and let me see. No. Okay, light families, and here we can find that light. So we have it, just open it, and now we will have the file as a component, and then we need to put it on the sides, and that is exterior part of it. Then I will do the masking inside, and then we will just end this session. Okay, and if you want to do scheduling, we can do that. We can get section view, we can get everything. So we will do everything, then I will end this session. So I just selected this, place on the work plane, and let me see if I can place it. No, I cannot. So place on face, and here you can place on the top face, and we have it. Then select the different light, that is this one, this. Okay, and you can place it here. You can place one here, and you can place one at this exterior side, and then you can place one at this side. And if you want to place it at the inside, so we have placed it everywhere. And if you want to place double on this side, you can do that. You can place one more on the top side, and now we are done with the lighting part. And then we have completed the lighting part. Then we need to make this side part. So just go to side, go to masking and side, and I will be doing it as fast as I can right now. So just 1 2 3 and 4, and now that we have this, just press OK, and then go to this, and now we have it at 0. If you want to reduce the size of, if you want to place it on the downside, just go to side and select this two portion. Just select it, go to edit profile, select this two portion, and reduce the size of it by -6 inches, and done. And here you can reduce it by -1 feet, -1 feet, and now it's done. And okay, and now go to 3D, and now that we have this portion, after that you need to provide something like grass material. If you do not want to put the grass, you can use the soil material, but here I'm going to put the grass. So just make a new material, that is grass, and here just go to asset library, search for grass, that is high quality grass, and high quality, done. Apply it, and okay, and now we have our grass. Then you can make a pathway for it if you want. If you want to make something of soil, then you can also use that by the topography. You can just go to this architecture, go to component, model in place, and here you can use this topography, and okay, and here just make an extrusion like this type, something like this, and something, and press OK, and now you will see that you have a this portion, that is something that looks like soil. And here you can do it at 0 and -2 inches, -2, let me see. Okay, at -2 feet also there's a gap. If you want to keep it like this, you can keep it, and if you don't, you can just delete it. You can make some road, and then we can do is just go to this, and then we need to put some trees. So for tree portion, what I'm going to use it, just go to landscape, asset library, find some tree and place it on every side that you want to. Then just go to this vegetation, find a tree, and here we have something of this type. I can just place it all over the place, and then press escape again, just put it on every side, and then select. You can use this type of trees, and then one more tree, that is something of this type, and done. Now that we have this, we can use one of street props. So just go to street props, and here you will find something of building. So let me use some wooden building. So I will use this farmhouse type building at this side, so this house doesn't feel lonely. Okay, and we have one of the tree, not tree, this house, and you can use second wooden house like this farmhouse, and you can keep it on this place like this. And if you want to remove the trees from here, just put it on the side like this. And if you want to remove the trees from this side, just put it like this, and we got it right over here. And you can just click on CS. Okay, always remember to save the project and just click on CS, and now we'll have create similar option. And now we have this. And then do we need to put anything extra on that place? If I can find something like this, you can just place something like this. And what else do we have? We have our phone booth. You can use it also on this side. Okay, I will use the phone booth at this place. And then what else do we need? No wardrobe needed, nothing of this sort. Okay, I can use a bus stop, that is to give a shed. So we don't have a road, but we have a bus stop shed. So you can make it like this, and if you want to make the same thing on the other side, you can do it like this. And here is a billboard. One and two, and you can use it at the place of this, and you can use it at this place. And now it's done, and now you can use the bigger billboard. Just use it here. And what else do we have? And if you want to put some sitting areas on the outside, if you want to give it a pathway, you can use it. So if we are providing a pathway at this side, first we need to do it angular type. So this, and then just place it like this, and it will be hidden. So I placed twice, so not a problem. Just go to 3D, and where is our pathway? So if you can't find your pathway, just hide this portion and delete this one, give it an height offset of, it is at this place. Okay, then HR to get everything back, and now we have it right. And if you don't want here anything like this, you can remove this, not a problem. So we are going to render it, and before rendering, let me make some sheets. So just go to sheets, and before that, just go to level 1. Select this one, hiding view category, not element, category. Just select this hiding view category. You can make it different, or you can do this. Okay, just duplicate this label, and just duplicate it and rename it as uh, dimension, no, not dimension, level 1 files, not files. I'm a little bit frustrated right now. Just a second, we can give it a level 1 section. Okay, I will do it. And then just select this section, go to this hidden view category, and now everything is hidden. Just go to the section view, and you can take a section from this place to this place, and now you can see that we have something like this from this section. You can also make a section that is from this cross side. So we have a section like this, and we have a section from here to here, and you can hide in view category, and now everything is hidden. Then again go to section, again go to this section, and here you can make a new section like this, and we have a section from this portion to this portion. Again go to this and hide in view category. If you want to make it smaller, you can do it like this, and if you want to make it smaller from this side, you can do it like this. You can make it smaller from this side, you can make it smaller from this side, and from here till here. And what else? And if you want a section of different views, for example, I want section like this, and then I want to break it from the middle, so just break it, and you can just split section and split this section from here, and you can show your this view from here. And now we have this section, just go to this view, and now we have something like this. And where is our stair? So this is our stair that is hidden, and we have this section view, and I don't think it is right now, so I'm going to, okay, not this one, which was our section, this section. So just split segment once again. Okay, we cannot split it twice, not a problem. Just select this section and delete it, and we will make that section once again. So just go to this section, and from this place to, okay, just move it, and here you can do split, and just split it like this and put it here. And now we have this section. So in this section we can see our stairs also. Just go to this view, and now you will find that we have something like this, so we will keep it. Okay, and then if you want to make a duplicate of second view, just go to this, duplicate it, and now we have this hidden view category, and everything is hidden, and rename it as section level 2 copy. Okay, we will keep it. And then we need to remove this by category, and you can, if you want to hide this one, hide in the category, and now we have something like this. And you can press HR to get everything back, and if you want to remove this image, double S to hide it, and we have something like this. Then we can make schedule. If you want know how to make it, just go to new schedule, and here you can get a low schedule, and okay, and after that just go to, you can use cost, you can use name, you can use depth, so family and type. And then we have type mark, if you want to use label. And type mark, where is it? Okay, you can use height and width, so you can use both. And then there's a type mark, thickness, type mark. Okay, and now we have it. Just do it on top, and cost is at the bottom, and now we have it. And then we will get something like this, and we have this. And if you want to put a cost, for example, I keep it as 8,000 rupees, and this, okay, and this door is at 6,000 rupees, and here our next door is at 12,000 rupees. Okay, done. And yes, and then go to edit type. If you want to make some sorting, if you want to make some changes, for example by label type, just go to this and do it by label. If you want to edit, move, filter, move, just go to this label, and that is label does not equal to 1, and okay, you can undo it, not a problem. Again go to sorting, you can sort it the way you want. I'm not going to do it anyway. If you want to see it, you can watch it in my last video. If you want to give the rough height of it, if it has not been provided by this family, you can use by your own, not a problem. Just go to sheet, make a new sheet, and here I will load a new sheet, and in this new sheet I will get my own sheet that is to be used here, and I have my own template. I will use this template, and okay, and now I have that template. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this section view, and I will put it here. And as you can see, it is a much more larger, so just go to this view and do a crop view and crop region. So just use this option, crop view and crop region, and here you can make it smaller just like this and like this. And if you want to scale it, you can use this portion also. Let me see how long is it. After that I will check it out. So just go to this and then go to sheet, and this is our sheet, and now we have it. So you can just move it like this, move it by a little bit more, and then just remove this region. So I'm just removing the region and the crop view also, and now we have it. And if you want to remove this line, you can just show the extension line and done, and now you can remove that. And the crop region is hidden, and if you want to hide the elevation also, just go to this view, and now we have it. And if you want to remove this one, just go to this and view title instead of do none, and now we have a clear image. So this is our first section view. You can do the same with this view, and now we have it. You can make changes to it. I'm not going to do it. And after that we have a schedule that I'm going to attach with it. So this is our schedule. I've attached it. After that, what else do we have? We have section views. So just go to section views, and in section views we have 4 sections. Just okay, one section here, and then I will okay, not in this one. I will make a new sheet, and then I will use the section view. So just go to sheet once again, go to sheet, and here I put the new sheet, and here you can use the section, and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, and remember you can change the size of it by your own. I'm just doing it as fast as I can right now, because I think there's no more time left. So in 10 minutes you can change the name of it. So example, project name, this name is Baku House or Pre Baku House. So it was Pre Baku House, so just name it, that's Pre Baku House, and done. And here owner is Saurabh Bharti. Saurabh Bharti selected. Okay, not yet done. Saurabh Bharti. Oof. And here you can change the project name and everything right as you want. So I'm just going to save it. This portion is done. I'm just going to show you it in the 3D view, and whatever is left, let it be. And remember, you will get everything in that I have used in this project. So just check out the description afterwards, and let's see the rendering of it. So it will take a little bit more time. Let's just check it out. It's still taking time. Okay, and now you can see that we have something like this, and we have a working portion. You can reduce the size of it, not a problem. And at this portion you can just move it a little bit, or you can make it angular. So do it by your own, or I can make it like now. So at this place, if you want to rotate it, just go to top, rotate, and then rotate it like this, and now we have it. And for this portion, just reduce the size of it, not size, elevation by 4 inches, and now we have it. Just go to 3D, and now if I can show you, yes. And if it is in the air, you can just select this one, and it is at 5 inches, keep it at 2 inches. And now go to 3D view once again, and okay, this is also not much more height, so I'm just reducing this size of the elevation of it, and now we have it. Now we have this place, and remember you can change this material. I am not going to change it right now. And this is how it is. This is our floor portion for the ground floor, and this is our kitchen portion. That is how it was. This is our TV portion. You can use decal to place something in that. If you want to increase the size of this stair, you can use it. And then this is our top floor, and as you can see, for let me show you. Yes, as you can see, there's not much bump, but still we can see a bump. And at this place also you cannot, yes, you can see the bump at this place also, so it looks good. And here's a gap, so you can do this, just go to level 2. And where's that wall? So we have some wall, or not at ceiling, go to level 2, and we have a wall at this place, and just do it like this, and now you will see that there's no gap, and whatever is left you can correct it by your own. I'm just trying to finish my this portion as soon as I can. Now you can see that we have a wall like this. You can make changes to it for the inside portion. As you can see, we have everything got right, and if you want to change this in color of it, you can change it to later. And now we have something like this. So this is our, okay, just a second, I cannot find my material for this wall, so just go to 3D. And yesterday I did that portion right, but I don't know why. Okay, not a problem. Just select this one, go to edit type, go to material, and in this choose the wood wall, and okay, and okay. And I think that, okay, the problem is I have put the texture in a folder and it was on the outside. And now if I go to this, um, just select this one, edit type, and wood wall, select this, go to appearance, go to image, apply it, okay, okay, and okay. And now you can see that we have this. Okay, that was the reason I was not able to see this thing. Go to pause live update, resume live update, and I will have to render it once again, I think so that we can have our color back. So this is how it looks right now. Just go to this and start rendering it once again, and you will find that we got everything right in our project. And I think this is the end of the project. Just let me show you the rendering, and I will just end this session. So yes, this is our building right now. Okay, there's something wrong. Okay, not a problem. And yes, this is our house, this is our exterior, this is our interior. And remember not to change the place of the texture that you have used. So now you can see we got everything. And if you want to change this material, just change the wall material. And this wall also is of the same kind. And here we have something that is, okay, it is not being seen. I'm not going to make changes, it takes a lot of time for doing anything. So just do it like this, and you will get this as a great result. And if I do the night rendering of it, okay, and I have just missed everything, that is the material, not material, the families. I have, yesterday we had the families of it at the right place. Right now I don't have a family. So okay, this is our project and this is the end of it. You can yesterday I don't know how to put the light on it, not a problem. So you can just place the light once again, and if you want to place the lights in it, just let me see where is our family. The families are at the right place, I think. Okay, if you will make it, you will get it right, not a problem. And let me show you how was our project and what we have achieved till now. So for the night rendering, you can see the yesterday's video. And here we had our this type, and now we have it like this. You can see we have our family from all the sides. This is our kitchen, as you can see. This is our portion, and I can show you from the every angle. So this is our one of the angle. So maybe this was okay, this is the that angle. So just go to this view, and now you can see that we have something like this. Not exactly, but it is angular actually, so we see it from a different angle. We can see that we have something like that, but I think it is angle from this side, so you can make changes to it. If you want to make changes to this angle, you can just put your wall like this, and you can make your roof from angular from this portion, not a problem. And we have a great result. So this is our complete project series that I have completed. After that, you can recommend me what to make next. So I will wait for your comments, and you can send your files to the Telegram link. You will find the channel link in the description. So you can find my Telegram channel link, and we have something like this at this portion. And thank you for watching, and you can send your files that you have made or the rendering of the images, because I want to see what you have made. And if I can show you it from the air, from the top portion, this area looks something like this. That and for the night, what we have is this. So it not look good, I know that. So we will just keep the day rendering, and I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching, and you will find everything in the description below, so check it out, and thank you for watching.